I'm just going to run through some of the features, in this case the filtering capabilities of the interface. The row directly below the headers is the filtering row, and in the filter, whatever's typed into any column in the filtering row, the data in the data view will be filtered by all items that start with, if you just simply type, that start with those characters typed in that column. So I only want to see all of the software that starts with security. SEC, it should have reduced it enough that there should have been enough information. I could have typed more, but it filters as you type. So it would have, if I remove that, if I type an S, it will now reduce everything, the view, to everything that contains an S, and everything that starts with an S, and now everything that starts with SE. They can be the filters are cumulative, so again I can say, well, I've now got all the security software, but I only want the security software that's on PDCs. So by typing that, I've now combined the two filters, and we can see the filter down here. We're getting everything that starts with security or SEC or SE. I haven't put the C in yet, and everything on everything that starts with PDC. The filters can be temporarily disabled, so I can see all the data again now, and then I can reapply the filter by checking and unchecking the box there. I can remove the filter altogether by checking here. Once the filter is applied, it will be retained as you go through views. So if you filtered all the PDCs as security on PDCs in this view, and then you went to the history, you would see the history of, i.e., the dates and times that this software was found on PDCs and software that's security. So the filter it continues through the Z order, i.e., when you go down through these different views, think of them as pages behind each other. If you apply a filter in one view, it will be retained down through the layers of the different views as well. The other thing about the filter is we just did an example of starts with, so whatever you type in there starts with, but also if you wanted it contains, you use the wildcard, which is the %. So in this case I want to filter everything that's got update in the software name, so I type %update, and now we should see in the view only software that contains the word update. If I was looking for a particular service pack, so say KB9, I would say I want to see, so I would say %KB9, and software name like, sorry, I didn't put the percent on my typing. %KB9, there we are. So now we're looking at all the security hotfixes. So we're spanning hotfixes, security, on updates, and all those things. All of the KB9 hotfixes, everything with KB9 in it. And I could add to that the on PDCs or on workstations or on laptops or on static boxes. Within I can use sub-elements of subnets and things like that. So limit the search to subnets, types of software, type of machines, this operating system or that operating system. So I can build up, between filtering and grouping and sorting, I can build up quite detailed selections, really. So thank you very much.